Stitching perfection, but finishing the shirt hem with a folded edge technique. Preparing the shirt bottom. Take the wrong side of the shirt. Pinning the lace to the shirt hem facing wrong side. Then stitch it along the edges. Now, stitch it. Before stitching, pin the lace to the bottom edge. Now, take the right side of the shirt and fold the hem of the shirt to the inside. Then stitch along the edges. Now, stitch it. Start stitching along the edge. Final highlighted neat and beautiful hem of the shirt.